Welcome to the Forex Academy War Room. I'm going to show you the markets that we will be watching for next week, March 2nd, starting on Monday, 2026. We'll be watching this one really close. This is the euro to the Swiss franc. We've been watching this market all the way since back here, back in January, and it consolidated and then it just made a break below the 23-year lows here. And now it has made this really nice hammer candle right there. So you can see we have divergence on momentum. And if Monday morning we can get an engulfing candle here, or it actually opens Sunday night. So when I look at this at 5 a.m. Monday morning, I'm hoping to see an engulfing candle and everything else lining up. I think this might be a pretty big move. So that's one we're watching. The next one is Canadian dollar to the Singapore dollar. We'll be watching this next week. It looks like we might be changing directions here, but of course everything has to line up. And so we're looking for a pullback into this support zone and then rejection and a move out. Euro to the pound. What we're looking for here is a pullback into, again, this support zone and then rejection and a move out. Momentum will have to come down lower and give us a hook going up. You can see that the 50 EMA seems to be following this, and it looks like it would come right to the 50 EMA if it does what we think it's going to do. Next one is Swiss franc to the Japanese yen, way up here. Now, this one we'll be watching just because it's approaching all-time highs right here. And so we're looking for perhaps some kind of rejection here that says it wants to go down. You can see that momentum here, right here. If we just get a little nudge and then start going down, we would have divergent momentum right there. And so that's kind of what we're looking for. And so we'll be watching this one next week. And then I already do pound to the yen. I'm sorry, guys. There's so many markets that we watch here. Okay, this one, it's in an uptrend. We can see that it's making new highs, new swing highs. Made a pullback to the 50. The 50 is starting to flatten out a little bit, but we've got a really solid engulfing candle here. So actually, structure doesn't look too bad. We would prefer for the market to come down into this support area. But the thing that's going to be bad for me here is that momentum is only at a negative 49. I need to see at least a 60. If this market was in this zone, then there's certain gray areas, and that would be one of them with momentum. How far do you want it to be down? When do you take it? When do you don't take? When do you not take it? And okay, so those are the ones that we're watching. We're currently live in one market. I'll show you that one. This one we've been in for over a week, and it's it's getting close to our profit target. Last week, trying to think of which one it was. Was it this one? Yeah. So last week we took this one at the same time as the euro to the Australian dollar, and we took that based upon a pullback, strong engulfing candle, strong momentum, and strong volume. And it ended up hitting our 2-to-1 profit target. Okay, guys, that's what we're watching for next week. Hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I will talk with you soon.